And here we are. Yeah, afternoon walk, and it's raining. Not much, but it's raining. And I switched Monty back to the flexi. To the left, to the right. Tuki Monty. Tuki. Yeah, Lil Sis couldn't take him, and he now wants to go back to her. Lisa, Monty, pretty. No. He's looking for leftover food. Wait, Grima. Freedom. Oh, and I have to... Lizzie cadê, no? This is a problem. He wants to go back to Lil Sis, and she is looking for dogs. Yeah. This is a problem when you have two dogs and nobody wants to go in the same direction that I want to go. Freedom. Tale je avstralski ovčar. Malamutka. No, smo srečali, gremo naprej. Okay. Yeah, rainy day. And apparently for next 5 days. So yeah, not the best weather. Okay, we will end on this point because we will cross the road. Oh, Lisa was tracking that dog. You don't see it.